Find the domain of radical function g of x equals square root of 4 minus x squared. By looking at the graph of the function, the domain is from -2 to +2. That means any x values between -2 and 2, where -2 and 2 inclusive, is the domain of this function. So when we write the domain, we're going to say it is from -2 to 2. How do we prove the domain of this function algebraically? Because we have an even index, we're going to set the radicand greater equals 0. So we're going to say 4 minus x squared greater equals 0. We're going to solve for the variable x. So we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. We're going to divide by -1 to both sides of the inequality. As soon as we divide the inequality by a negative number, we need to flip the inequality. So we will have less than or equal to sign. And now we get x squared less than or equal to 4. In order to get rid of the x squared, we're going to take square root on both sides. So we get x squared less than or equal to 4, radical sign on both sides. From the pre-calculus, this is an absolute value x. And this value is 2. From your algebra, this definition can be interpreted as -2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. If I graph the domain of this function, that will be from -2 to 2, and any values in between -2 to 2, where -2 and 2 inclusive. That means you have to add that in the domain. So the domain of this function algebraically is also from -2 to 2, and which does match with the domain of the graph of the function.